Hey guys, welcome back to the free training course Bird the Ride. This is 𝐬𝐨𝐬𝐤 with NJGCB Contractors. Today is very important day. I'm very excited. We are, as a project moving along, we are finishing up and we're scheduling all our roof inspection, and we're ready for drywall in the next 2 weeks. It's very critical stuff. Make sure you go over the bunch of lists I'm gonna post on my blog, and make sure you walk the house with your subcontractor. Before you closing walls, make sure you don't miss anything. Make sure all the wires, all the outlets, all the plumbing, everything you're gonna need in the final installed in the rough stage. Also at this stage, you want to make sure your inspection, your MMPs, mechanical, electric, plumbing in the schedule first, then your framing, then your insulation inspection. So you line this up before you do before you start doing the drywall. Make sure you get all this inspection done before you close out the walls, of course. So let's get started, and hopefully you guys like the course today. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start from top to bottom. In the attic here we have a finished attic, so we're gonna have, of course, we have half a bathroom. So each area we'll be looking at plumbing, electric, mechanical, and also framing. So 4 components you're going to be looking at. You're going to have your checklist, make sure everything is checked. So for plumbing, this is a half bathroom. This is a sink west line, so make sure the sink west line have a vent. All sinks has to have vent by itself. You cannot have the whole house in one vent. So every fixture has its own vent, and it has to have dedicated line going to the roof or vented somewhere. All right, most of the vent pipe goes through the roof. So we have a sink here. We have hot, we have cold, we have the toilet, and we have the we have the water, the valve, the toilet. Okay, we have our duct, and we have our fan. All right. The fan is done by the electrician, but the pipe is done by the HVAC guy. So make sure these 2 guys coordinate, and none of the duct work is they don't forget about connecting the duct before they close the walls on the ceiling, because it's gonna be a mess. Make sure you know all the location of those vents, of all those ducts, because sometimes in the final inspection they ask you about the location, and they go over the fans, and they have to see 4 vents going outside of whatever the amount of the fans. You need to have the equal amount going outside. And here is a wire for the vanity light. I have 1 GFI. For the framing, you'll be looking at this plate. So after the electrician and the plumbing and all the guys make all the opening, you add the steel plate to when they make the hole, they compromise 2x4. So this is to add the strength to the sill plate or to the opening. Also, we're gonna be looking, since I did the insulation, we're gonna be looking at the insulation as well. We did what's called the prep, which include all the fire penetration. So all those holes need to be closed by foam, special fire foam. And also it's two things with insulation. One, the prep. You need this prep before you do your framing inspection, because sometimes, or it's up to the town really, but I like to do it before we do our framing inspection. So we have it all prepped. So you have this fire foam installed in all penetration. That's good here for this bathroom. Now for the entire basement, from the entire attic, you need to look at the switches, outlets. Make sure you have sufficient outlets, sufficient lights, follow the plans. Also in the attic we have a unit. Because we have 2 zones in this house, so this zone is controlling 2nd floor and attic, and the other controlling basement and 1st floor. So when you look at the unit, we are missing. Usually they have emergency ban in case of leak or anything. He didn't install it yet, it's not done. But we have, of course, a gas pipe over there. You need to make sure you have the drain installed Okay, now this drain, he has to take it to another west line or take it to the basement. So he's gonna run inside the wall, make sure this drain is at least brought up to the attic, so he doesn't have to open walls after we close it. And if you look over there, we have two white pipes. Those two white pipes are vent pipes already installed to vent this unit. So everything here looks good. Let's move to all right, good here. I'm going downstairs. I'm gonna look at the bathrooms, bedrooms, laundry. So we're gonna start back. So all right with that. All right, so here's a master bathroom. We're gonna have again, we're gonna have a tub here. All right, the tub we don't have to have rough for it for now. Usually the rough on soak-in tubs they come at lately. Now we have, here is our stand shower. Our valves are good. We have one light. We have rain shower. So make sure if you're doing a special fixture rain shower, make sure this is also done in a rough stage. Or our fire penetration all filled, all good. All right, we'll come here. We have two sinks, and here they have a vents going up. Here's hot water, and this is our toilet. Looks good. Lights is good. Again, the fan. Here's the fan, and the duct is coming this way and it's connected going to the side. All right. Or our outlets, fire. Fire penetration installed. If you see here this white bead here, all right, this is to close any gaps for air. And also if you look at the windows, all the windows has this foam inside, and make sure this is all filled right. Okay, because again, this is your only chance to make sure this is all done right. All right, all good here. And also again, look at the steel plates in the framing. All right. Smoke detectors. Up there is a black one. Here's our laundry. In the laundry, I like to always install drain, laundry, sink, vented out. All right. And here is a dryer. Clean. All right, so here for the bedroom, again, each bedroom has to have smoke detectors over there. Okay, it has a vent, air conditioned vent. Here's a foam, all filled up. All my penetration filled with fire foam. Here. All good. Make sure all the holes that goes between each room filled with foam. All right. All our outlets is good. Switches. All right. We're gonna move. Bathroom. Again, two sinks, vents. Okay, going up. All right, we have our tubs here. Again, our plumbing roof is good, electric is good. We have GFI. We have switches. All right, our toilet. Here is a fan with its side. All right, we're ready here. Window. Filled. All good. Hallway has combo. Fire and CO. All right. Everything again filled. Good. Or window filled. Good. switch, light and fan, and outlets. All right. Yeah. Same thing is gonna be in this room. Everything looks good. We have one bedroom here. All right, filled with foam. Filled. Good. We have enough outlets right there. Lights. Okay. Good. For the foyer, we're gonna have a chandelier. So we have all the way up there the box for it. Bathroom, green fan going over this way. All right, again, here's the sink, up vented. All right, here's 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿, my 𝐥𝐤𝐤 switch. All right, we have the light over there. All right, good, good. All right, with the kitchen, you need to make sure you have enough 𝐥𝐤𝐤s. Make sure you have all the 𝐥𝐤𝐤s installed. Make sure you have, of course, the kitchen design done before. Here's your fridge right there. Your fridge is over here. Here's your sink, vented, one up, one down. All right. Good, all looks good here. I have my island wire. This is my island over here. All right, I have switches for the island, for the kitchen, my gas line for the stoves right there, and my hood connection, and here is my vent for the hood. Also, make sure you have if you're doing garbage disposal, make sure you have the switch for it, because after you again you close, it's gonna be difficult and you have to put it under, and people doesn't like it under, it's gonna create an issue. We have a pantry here. All right, again and wet bar. All right, and this outlet for a wine fridge. Here is we have the fireplace. I have them have HDMI cable for TV connected inside, so we prevent any holes inside, any wires. Any wires outside the walls. My fireplace is installed. Make sure you have the switch for the fireplace. It's right here. Okay, the fireplace. Nice and covered. They use special wrapping for fire, so make sure, usually like Get the Fire guys does all the fire place, so they know. Now all the steel plate installed, if you see here. All right, steel plate over here. All right, all good. All right, basement. Basement, again, enough outlets, enough lights. Okay, all my soffits installed. All right, all good here. Here is my data for internet. All right, good here. Again, this is my gas line for the unit for downstairs. Here's my vent, it goes outside. All right, here's the bathroom. We have here one loose duct, it has to be installed. I'll have my guy come and install it. Again, we have one sink, vented, all good. All All right. It's all good, ready to go. All right, good. Let's go outside. We'll go over the service on the gas meter and make sure everything is ready. Alright, there you go. I have my service installed, good. I have my vent. Here's a vent for the unit downstairs. I have bathroom vents. I have also on the soffit we're gonna be putting wires, so make sure if you're doing something like that, make sure you run all the wires. Now also be careful, because sometimes you forget this. Under this box window, all right, before you close it with plywood, make sure you put insulation. So make sure if you don't do this, you're gonna have a lot of draft coming from under the window, and the house is gonna be really cold. So make sure you get this done. And that will be it, guys. If you like the course, please subscribe and thumbs up. If you have any question, please email us. I'll see you next time. Thank you.